What's up everybody, my name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today's Monday, September 22nd. Now today's dog video, I want to talk about the capitulation that we just saw within the crypto market. Now you may have noticed that dog is down, but everything is massively down. I'm going to share with you the manipulation that's behind a centralized exchange and also a market maker, and why this capitulation event is supposed to happen before a huge leg up to the upside. And it's not just going to happen to dog, it's going to happen to every other Bitcoin, altcoin, and major utility coin, especially meme coins. But I think most of you want to understand what's next for dog. Is dog going to experience another leg up at some certain point or another? That's why I want to create this video, even though I'm on vacation right now with very little access to internet, because this video is very important for you to understand what you could experience in the month of October. You will be surprised of what is being set up in the data. So let's go ahead and smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join us on our X account, and please be careful with any scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach you via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. Guys and girls, let's get right into it. All right, so as you can see, dog Bitcoin is really down 8% over the past 24 hours. Now the reason that's happening is because look at this. Just yesterday, we saw a huge capitulation event. Bitcoin dropped from around 115,000 US dollars down to 112. Look at Ethereum. It's down 7.9% over the past 24 hours. Now, when we look at the liquidations, look at in the past 24 hours, $1.79 billion worth of liquidations. And most of that was people longing their positions on cryptocurrency. Basically, anybody who's very bullish on Bitcoin or every other altcoin going to the upside, well, guess what? They got liquidated. I wonder who did this. Who is manipulating the price? Well, it looks like it's Binance all over again. Remember, Binance is overseas, so they don't fall under the regulation or regulatory oversight as US-based exchanges or even European exchanges. Binance, because it's in Dubai, they can do whatever they want, really. So this is what we're seeing. They're selling everything with their market maker called Wintermute, Solana, Sui, Ethereum, even Bitcoin for that matter, selling a ton of these different assets just to wipe out all the long positions. What's really funny is that their token BNB has been setting new all-time highs. This is not suspicious at all, is it? This is very suspicious indeed. The fact that their native token keeps going up in price while the whole cryptocurrency market is capitulating is very suspicious to me. I mean, just look at this. Matthew Barbie over at Kraken shared with us that even the most predominant coins out there, such as Pengu, Ethereum, and even Bitcoin, are down substantially. Now, when we look at the meme coin sector, look at this. We have Pudgy Penguins down roughly around 12%, SPX 6900 down 10%, then Floki Dogpifat down 11-12%, Farcoin down 16%, Bread, which is a base token, down 17%, ApeCoin down 12%, Toshi down 14%, Mockcoin down 15%. Now let's fast forward to dog. Where's dog at? Down 7.7%. So this is really the whole crypto market based on this whole manipulation, because they want to shake you out for one reason, and that is because October is going to be a very bullish month. Remember, I told you over and over that September could be the very beginning of altcoin season, because there's going to be volatility within the month of September, meaning we may not see a rally right in September. It could happen in the very late stages of September, but October is seeming very bullish in my personal opinion, even though we're seeing Bitcoin dominance return. And I actually think that Bitcoin dominance needs to happen, meaning we need to see Bitcoin dominate over altcoins, because we saw that Ethereum was reaching new all-time highs, but it needs to reach its support band around the 20-week moving average. So now we're seeing Bitcoin dominance return, which I think is very positive, because whatever happens to Bitcoin is actually really good for the crypto market. So Benjamin Cohen says, I think Bitcoin dominance is forming a low, which we just saw, and will start trending up back in late September, like I mentioned, and basically all of October. That's why we see Bitcoin monthly returns in October very bullish historically. Even Colin Talks Crypto mentions the exact same thing, which is basically he's seeing a huge breakout eventually within the month of October as well. And maybe in November, we could see Bitcoin return to 125,000 up to 150K per Bitcoin. So apparently CryptoQuant just reported that Bitcoin network activity hits 2025 high, which could be a bullish signal. And the reason this is important is because it's likely amplified by the protocols such as Ordinals and runes. So you're seeing a lot of these transactions kind of return, which is great because we haven't seen this amount of transaction volume like for the entire year. And the fact that it's back now just goes to show, like, right now, Ordinals and runes, it's what's everybody's mind. That's why it doesn't really matter what's happening to the dog price. So even recently we saw that C2 blockchain acquired roughly around 5.9 million dog tokens. They're getting very close to their 500 million dog token treasury goal. And they already have over $1.1 million in dog because they know this is the type of time to buy when there's a fear in the market. This is what I did with Bonk. This is what I did with Solana. Now, when you're looking at dog's price, look at dog's price. So yes, there was that sell signal, and I've extended the falling wedge pattern as you can see here. So eventually the dog price, I think, will still bounce, and is actually still bouncing off this trend line. Remember, we had a 25 basis point here, and we are expecting 2 more in October and December. And as you're seeing from the Rainbow Adaptive RSI, the price of dog is seeming like it topped and it's going back down, meaning we could see something like this where it's elongated, where it tops and then it goes back down only to go back up again. Eventually, it can't be suppressed for too long. Eventually, it has to go back up, and that's why I'm thinking it could happen in October. So when you're looking at the dog price over here with the Stoch RSI, you see that the Stoch RSI is sharing with us that really we bottomed out. And as you can see here, we had a top with the dog price being at 999 million market cap. Then we followed a new low of around 100 million, back up to close to 600 million, as you can see here with the Stoch RSI, only back down here. So right now, October, which is this 2 blue lines and this purple square, this just goes to show us that dog is getting ready for that. Look at these candlesticks. Look how small they are. See, when you zoom out on the weekly chart, these candlesticks are pretty large. But as you've noticed over the past 3 weeks, the candlesticks are actually almost exactly the same, regardless of how different the daily price is very weak candlesticks. And when you see weak candlesticks like this, that means that the activity is just trying to figure out what it's trying to do. But eventually, this is actually oversold just based on what we're seeing with the Stoch RSI. And eventually, October will be very bullish for Bitcoin and be bullish for dog. So the reason I'm making this video during my vacation, and as you know, I'm already bullish on dog, the whole point of this is to shake everybody out. It's not just dog, it's every other altcoin and major utility coin out there. The reason they want to shake you out within the month of September is because they know that October is going to rally. So you've seen it in the data, and that's why I really want to make this video while I'm on vacation. Yes, I may not be able to make a video tomorrow or Wednesday because I come back on Wednesday, but I'll resume videos on Thursday. But I had to make this video for you because I'm sure that there are some emotional traders out there that are very scared. And remember, emotions usually work against you. So here's what I want to tell you. As a trader, as an investor, these are the times where the big power heads are actually buying into these assets at discounts. This is when there's fear in the water, fear in the street, and that's where the sharks go in and attack at the best prices in the best assets. And some of the greatest examples is this. You remember when the FTX collapse and Alameda Research and Sam Bankman-Fried happened? There was a lot of fear around Solana. Solana hit around $8. That's where I actually bought it. So no one thought Solana was going to come back, but we bought that dip. And because I waited roughly around a year for that, that investment went over 100x, and I sold at around close to a $200 price point for Solana. Remember, I bought Bonk when it was roughly around a $9 million market cap, and I sold it when it hit around a $2 billion market cap. And it's all because you need to buy those dips and just hold and have that conviction. But luckily, you don't have to wait months for this. This could start as early as October. So that's why I want to make this video very important for you to understand why you need to use these markets to your advantage and don't fall for the flood, because crypto is not going anywhere. The bull market is just around the corner. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I cannot wait to read them. Smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join us on X to receive all of our alpha calls and updates regarding Dog on the Moon. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.